from the rooftops, write it on the sky.
Good morning guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul in Wanderland. So today is 19th August, Sunday, and the time is 5:45 AM. Me and my son Mayuresh are going for a cycling event. It's a cycling event organized by Running Roadies, and it's for the cause Stop Sexual Violence and Pedal for a Safer Nation. So we have to reach there for the flag off at around 6:30. So we'll be going there and shooting the cycle ride. Take care. Hey guys, so we have reached the venue now. As you can see behind me, people are getting ready for the cycling ride, and we are just preparing the flags on our cycle, and once we are ready we will be heading.
Always were a dreamer as a child. Every night I watch the stars hoping for a sign. My father said, come down to earth, my son. But in my heart I knew there's something more out there. So follow me, just follow me. Yeah, follow me to another world. So follow me, just follow me. Yeah, follow me to another world. To another world. To another world. Don't you wanna lose that ball and chain? Climb over the walls and see what lays beyond. You just gotta reach out and grab my hand. Together we can make it to a paradise. Follow me, just follow me. Yeah, follow me to another world. So follow me, just follow me. Yeah, follow me to another world. To another world. To another world. Yeah, follow me to another world. To another world.
Going blind, feel my vision turning gray and into fiction. Tell me, friend, do you know know who I am. I've been dreaming but can't remember how this ends. I can feel it reflect in the clearest of eyes in you. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret. Falling out, getting too close, but wouldn't stand letting you go. Hear me out, I know what we could be. In my dreams I can almost reach it through the dark. I can feel it reflect in the clearest of eyes in you. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret.
Hello guys, welcome. So we have completed 72-minute cycle ride on the occasion of the 72nd Independence Day, and this is a event organized by Running Roadies in collaboration with a lot of other sponsors, as you can see here in the bib. So we just now got the finisher medal, and we are very proud to be an Indian. We appeal all the Indians to have peace in the country and to stop sexual violence.
So I completed 72 minutes ride on the occasion of 72nd Independence Day. So this ride was promoted by Running Roadies, as you can see it's written on the medal and behind the t-shirts also. So we just got the medal. Maybe they'll be serving us breakfast now. So their motto was to stop child abuse, stop sexual violence.
We are in the Starbucks of Dashunagar now, and we have ordered basil tomato cheese sandwich and strawberry yogurt, and this is Irish coffee with cream. So we're gonna have this now, and then we're gonna continue our ride to our home.